In this problem, we're asked to solve a linear inequality and graph the solution. And when we're solving linear inequalities like this, we can treat them pretty much like you would a algebraic equation where you're solving for x. You'll treat this inequality symbol, treat it just like an equal sign for the time being. So we'll go ahead and do that. If we're solving for x here, that means we probably want to move this 9 out of the way, this plus 9. And we do so by doing the opposite operation, which is to subtract 9. Whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we do to the other. So we're going to subtract 9 over here as well. And over here on the left, 9 minus 9 is 0. So that'll cancel out for us, leaving us with 8x. We still have our less than or equal to symbol. And 65 minus 9, I believe that is 56. Yes. One more step to solve. We want to undo this multiplication here, this 8 times x. We undo multiplication using division. So we'll divide by 8. And of course, we need to do that on both sides. 8 divided by 8 is 1, leaving us with x. We still have our less than or equal to symbol. And 56 divided by 8, that is 7. So we've solved our inequality. We've got x is less than or equal to 7. Let's graph that on a number line so we know what it looks like here. Here's a number line. If we continue going to the right forever, that would be towards infinity. And towards the left would be negative infinity. I'm going to throw 7 on a random spot there. I'll throw 7 right there. Now our inequality says that x is less than or equal to 7. So less than means we're going to the left of 7, right? All the numbers less than 7 are to the left. So we're heading towards the left, and we'll show that by shading the area to the left of 7. Okay. Going towards negative infinity there. But our inequality has this line under it, meaning we could also be equal to 7. And we show that by using a square bracket. Okay, so that would be kind of how our number line looks there. Now, a lot of times you'll be asked to answer these inequalities or give your solution in what's known as interval notation. Interval notation. And the way you write your solution in interval notation is kind of easy if you pay attention to your number line here. You start from the left and you work your way to the right. So to the left we have negative infinity, right? That's the furthest left we've gone. We're going on towards negative infinity. And we can never actually reach negative infinity or positive infinity, so we always use a parentheses to denote the infinities. So we're at negative infinity. That's our furthest left. And the furthest right we go is up here at 7. So negative infinity to 7. And we already know what to use there because we've put it on our number line. It's a square bracket. Since our symbol had a line under it, meaning we could be equal to 7. We use a square bracket there, and we use a square bracket in interval notation as well. So this would be our solution in interval notation.